Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly you have to open Contacts application, then tap here, go to its settings, and then select Import or Export Contacts. Then you have to select where from you want to copy contacts, from your email, from phone, from internal storage, or from the SD card. So let's copy them from phone, tap next, then let's import them, for example, to the SD card, I guess, tap next, then select contacts which you want to import, for example this one. And that's how it's done. Contacts will be exported shortly. So yeah. Oh, now we can export them from the SIM card. So let's try to export some contacts from SIM card to the phone. Here you can select contacts. So let's, for example, export this one. And that's how you can export this contact from SIM card to the phone. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.